What is going on, everyone? Today I'm bringing you a review on drip mail. So welcome back to the channel. Yes, we have a link down below, and that link is going to get you the best up-to-date deal. Before we get into this, thank you so much for hitting that like button. Please do it right now if you haven't. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's get straight in. Guys, here we go. It's drip.com, all right? Drip mail is incredible. Now, what is it? It's hopping in will be with your ecom growth co-pilot. So they are helping your growth with your e-commerce business. It's 100% built for e-commerce. They've got all the automated marketing tools, insight, and savvy turn shopping experiences, and useful data streams. All right, we're going to try it for free in just a second. Just quick overview of the website. We've got product, pricing, integrations, customers, learn, and top. I just want you to have a quick look at the integrations here. Shopify, Magneto, WooCommerce, some of the biggest ones, all right? Try it, superhero of segmentation. Have a look at this little guide here. It's going to show you exactly what it does. So you're skimming the data of the top, all right? Whipping it into every email, seeing more sales. So they're helping you do that. Now, every customer in the unicorn, email them like you know it. Ditch the list, so no more writing out lists, right. Go through all your context, all right? Just get it in there. Personalized, like it's your BFF. I love the imagery. I love the style they're going for here. Now, it's easy to use. All right, they say it's so easy, you're gonna wanna hug them. I don't know if you are, but let me know in the comments if you wanna hug them, all right? Please remember that link down below is gonna get you that deal. It makes email building a lot better, and to scale your business, like you can see in this little image, is just so much easier. All right, the instant pot of automated marketing. Brands with them, as you can see, all these different brands talking about them, all right? Let it scroll across and you can actually have a look. If you're a friend or mentor, all right, they're both. If you just need a hand, they're there. If you need a full-time mentor, they're also there for you. They can fill in the blanks. They can actually help you unlock what picture you're trying to build. If you're a data person, which you should be, or if you've got a friend or part of the business that's going to be doing the data for you, here we go. All your e-commerce data organized and in one conversation, right? Squeeze it all of in there. Really easy, nice color schemes, everything that you want, and you can get all your analytics right in one spot. Over 30,000 marketers and counting, all right? So it can't be bad like they're saying. It's very, very big. It's the reason we're bringing it to you right now. Now, I want you to get on here and do your own research. Get into the blog, read it yourself. The Big Book of E-Commerce Mind, get there as well. And the Ecom Unity. All right, now let's start for free and actually see what happens. So guys, once you've done that, you're gonna get a free trial, right? You can actually come in and have a look. It's really, really cool, really easy to use. Okay, you have your name. I've done it as unknown up there, and you can actually manage your account. When you go into people, you can choose the active or inactive. All right, your save segments, your tags, everything like that, and your operations on there. All the forms are here, so you've got all your templates through here as well. All right, so have a look at the templates you want. If you want discountings, newsletters, opt-in forms, new collections, things like that, you can have a look right down. If you're starting your campaigns, all right, you can start your email campaigns, your brand styles, things like that, or your marketing playbook, which is obviously going to help you. All you got to do is import your email subscribers, send your first one, and install the code. Your workflows, so you can have a little look at how this works here, okay? You start a new workflow. If you don't know how to do workflows, all right, I recommend watching the video, but basically you're moving these around. All right, so it shows you where you should be going, what you should be doing first, and how you should be doing it. Then you've got your analytics side. So let's have a look at clicks by link. There's gonna be nothing on there because I haven't started it yet, but this is your analytic, and you can actually have a look at all of it, all right? Where your site traffic is, when it's gonna come up, when it's gonna go down, all right? Really, really interesting stuff, guys. Let me know down below if you're excited. I'm gonna take it over to the pricing now and see what's that saying. So guys, here we go. That link down below is gonna get you the most up-to-date pricing as always. So, up leveling your marketing with this price, and all you got to do is drag this slider. Let's say we want to have 4,500 contacts. All right, that's going to be $89 a month. If we want 2,500 contacts, which most people cannot even get that, that's $39 a month, right? All you got to do is click start for free. $39. I spent more than that on my breakfast today. $39, and you're getting all of the emails you need, unlimited email sends and email support. Plus, you still get that trial for free, all right? It's incredible. You're getting the market across multiple channels, deep behavior-based customer segments, all the rest. 6,000 brands are trusting this. So let me know if you're going to trust it. $39 as little as, and you can choose however big you want to go to, all right? Once you start going up to a certain amount, you talk to an expert because you're making it custom for yourself. Let me know in the comments right now if you're getting involved. So there you have it, guys. Drip mail is incredible. That link down below, I know I keep talking about it, but it's going to get you the best up-to-date deal. I've shown you how powerful this could be. Please support our channel as you always do. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'm going to see you on the next video.